Have you ever heard of an ocean desert? It sounds like a contradiction, right? After all, when I think of deserts, I imagine endless sand dunes and scorching heat, not the deep blue sea. But ocean deserts are very real, and they're actually some of the largest environments on our planet. So, what exactly is an ocean desert? Well, scientists call them oceanic dead zones or marine deserts, and these are massive regions in the ocean where life is surprisingly scarce. You won't find teeming schools of fish or bustling coral reefs here. Instead, these zones are almost empty, with just a few hardy creatures managing to survive. But why are these areas so empty? It mostly comes down to nutrients, or more specifically, the lack of them. In most parts of the ocean, nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus feed tiny plants called phytoplankton, which then feed bigger animals and so on up the food chain. But in ocean deserts, these nutrients are in short supply. It's a bit like trying to grow a garden without any fertilizer. Nothing much thrives. Ocean deserts are huge. The most famous one is the North Pacific subtropical gyre. It covers an area twice the size of the United States. That's absolutely massive. And it's not alone. There are other big ocean deserts in the South Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Indian Ocean too. Now you might wonder how these deserts form in the first place. The answer lies in the way ocean currents move. In these regions, the water tends to be very still. There's not much mixing of deeper, nutrient-rich water with the surface. So, without this natural stirring, the nutrients just stay locked away in the depths, far from the sunlight where they could fuel life. Despite their name, ocean deserts aren't totally lifeless. Some specially adapted creatures manage to eke out a living here. For example, certain jellyfish, squid, and bacteria have evolved to survive in these nutrient-poor waters. But compared to other parts of the ocean, it's a tough life. Why does this matter? Well, ocean deserts play a big role in the Earth's climate. Because there's so little life here, these regions don't absorb as much carbon dioxide from the atmosphere as other ocean areas do. Scientists are studying these zones closely to understand how they might change as our planet warms. So next time you imagine the ocean, remember, it's not all colorful fish and vibrant reefs. Some parts are as barren as any desert on land, just with a lot more water. And who knows, maybe with a better understanding, we'll discover even more secrets hidden in the planet's blue deserts. Thanks for joining me on this ocean adventure. If you enjoyed these quick science facts, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you next time.